go back to our home.
No, we're not in the home. We're outside. I decided. And what are you supposed to say?
Are you gonna open it and show people?
Yeah, I'm opening mine.
Yeah. Sorry, I just opened it for accident. I didn't know. So, we're just gonna open it. I got these minions. I didn't make a change
Whoa.
of those. So, we're
I
gonna
still
open
have money. I still have money.
Here we go.
Oh, I still have money.
Don't worry, I
again.
can open it. See?
I still have money again.
I can open it. There we go. Now we got to take this out.
Come on, get out.
This is the yellow bag. Let's start with these ones first.
Yeah.
Look, he's in the beach.
Yeah. Looks like he's in the beach.
Let's see. What is it?
This minion is in the beach.
You gotta bring it to the camera so if people know what they look like.
See? He has the surfboard. No, he can't. We're doing this first. So here. No. Oh wait, he's trapped. So my sister just buy the shotguns and we buy something extra so we can do it later. Okay. Now we're starting about Kyle.
What are you doing here?
This Kyle, the dog.
Can you show it?
He's a dog.
Yeah.
He's a different kind of dog. I don't know what.
Kyle.
See?
Yeah.
Hi.
Nice.
We got two. Let's take these ones out because you didn't see them. Yay! You can't touch them.
I'm tired.
Hi. Are they cute?
Yeah,
There's so many.
I got it.
Ah! We just broke the hand of this one, but that's okay. We still got more. See? This is all the one that got, and this is the one that I got yesterday. Okay, now we're gonna do it the cheese.
What are these called? Mini minions or?
Oh, no shotgun, not shotgun.
I wonder what they're called. No shotguns. What did I say?
No, I say more shotguns. I say no more
This is the girl. I wonder they have the holder thing, or to put the minions so they can hold, they can sit. Oh, it must be in here. So this is the menu we got. This is the girl with the
Is it?
cheese in her head.
Where?
Right here. Ah! It looks like she's wearing the cheese in her tummy.
Is it?
It doesn't stand. The standing thing is in there. Okay, this is a dog because that's a different kind of dog. We don't know.
Yeah.
Can see it? It's a dog.
I see my shotgun.
Okay.
So
And this is a minion. He's
shotgun.
in jail. So we got two jail ones.
What's your jail one?
Now we're gonna open this one, the mystery.
Whoa.
Oh, we got the minion when they were born from the water. We got this guy.
Yeah. Why is that?
This is him.
Yeah.
See?
He's a nugget.
He's
a very nugget.
this is his feet.
Yeah. Why he's a
So-
boring?
Okay, you see him.
Happy.
Okay, you start off the top.
I did my shoulder.
We got this guy right
You gotta
here.
do it closer because people can't see it.
Because this is him right here.
Hey, Lucy!
Next, we're gonna get this guy. He's right here.
See? You see?
See? Right here.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Oh,
How many of
yeah.
them? There's a lot.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Oh
Let's
yeah.
talk about the cheese head
Okay.
girl.
What is this again?
Okay, Hey, this is her right here. This is her.
I can see her.
This is her.
Yeah.
You see right
Why
here.
don't you put it down so we scan it and see what you have here?
你冇把佢落個角先啊！
Okay,
Ayun
so
na
this
niya.
is a go. We got her right here. See? Now,
She just got stuck.
now we got this girl.
Whoa, I have another shotgun. That's
Yes,
the shotgun.
this is her. This is her, the girl.
Smash them.
Right here.
Smash them.
No. Oh, this is him. That guy. See? He's right here.
Oh yeah.
Nancy. We got
Who
this
is
guy
this
right
guy?
here. He
Oh,
was right
who's
here.
this guy?
We got this guy right there.
Yeah, and then this.
That's the guy. Right.
Hey, look at this
That's
guy.
That's
This
the
is
guy we
guy.
just got. And this is the guy. They're right here.
Goodbye,
See?
Mommy.
Now
Oh, let
we're
me
gonna
go.
talk about the jail minions.
The jail minions?
There's two. So let's see, where's this one? There he is, right here.
Oh, you're so cute.
We got this guy right here. See? See him? See him right here.
Oh!
Now,
Oh, my God.
now we're gonna do my sisters.
Oh.
Because we didn't do channel and the other one, so
How many minions do you have?
I have fever.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4,
Whoa,
5, 6,
whoa, whoa,
7,
whoa,
8,
whoa,
9,
whoa.
10, 11,
Oh, we're
12.
gonna get them.
12.
Wow.
I want to do this stand. We're testing out is it stand or no, because we need it to stand.
Why don't you turn it this way?
Ah! Your car is
Can you turn it this way so people can see it?
Oh. See? They're all here.
Hey, my second time.
I wonder if she can stand yet.
Ah, I have Sprinkle.
She doesn't stand
Sprinkle in
yet,
the
so
socket.
she needs this. These are the things for the minions
To stand?
stand. So if they can't, if the tall ones, if you have to get these for the tall ones. Look at him, he's so cute. This guy,
Get out.
he's gonna swim. It looks like look his eyes. He looks so funny. This guy too.
Ah.
And the dog.
And the dog.
And don't
Kyle.
forget, and this minion. And don't forget Kyle. The dog.
Kyle? Where's the Kyle?
We got all of these
Wow.
minions. Mine.
Dạ. Wow.
Quá trời luôn.
Đẹp quá vậy?
Good?
Yeah.
Y'all done?
My shotgun
Oh,
is
well, that's
empty.
one. Easy. Okay, we're all done for this channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Goodbye.
Okay.
Okay, my turn.